Education has a very important role in our life. Education is a world that teaches a person to live life. Education is the basis of human life. Education should be equally for both men and women because both together make a healthy and educated society. The first school of any person is his family and mother is said to be the first guru. Education is that weapon with the help of which one can face the biggest difficulties. Without education, we cannot do any work well. Education is useful in every area of our life. Good education helps in removing all the differences of the society. In our society, uneducated person is treated like an animal. Education is such a thing which removes the animality of man and teaches him to live life. The holistic development of human mind is possible only through education. It improves our knowledge, skills, confidence level, and personality. Education does not mean bookish knowledge, but education that can really make a man human identify his values. The message of love, the message of humanity can be spread in the society only through good education. Education is very useful in everyone everyone's life. Education is what sets us apart from others living beings on earth. It makes the man smartest creature on earth. It empowers human being and prepares them to face challenges of life efficiently. Nelson Mandela has says that education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.